Hi there, Peter here. I'm from Galloping Tortoises. Welcome at Panorama, a campsite in the Witzenberg Valley. It's a magnificent place of peace. It's absolutely fantastic.
The kitchen. Tell us about your tent. This is now.
This is our Kiwi tent. It's a Zempire Aerodome 2. It's an inflatable tent. It's incredibly stable in windy conditions and it's massive. You can probably sleep 10 people in there easily. This is the vestibule, sort of a place where you can hang out when it's rainy, where you can store all your wet gear. And if you come in, you've got like a place where you can cook and store your gear, and two massive bedrooms that you can sleep. You can see there. You can put any number of people in there. On this side, the room is slightly smaller, but still you can put a lot of people in there.
And this is quite old.
We bought it in 2013, and it's still going strong.
It looks brand new.
Yeah, we used it a lot in New Zealand. Unfortunately, in South Africa, I think this is the fourth time that we use it.